Wait, what? That's not a goat. Right, what's this? Welcome, O brave soul. You must be the hero. You are the... yes. Hey, goat. Foul beasts and nervous demons from land, and you are the only one who can stop them. An epic journey awaits. But it's the goat. First, very magical. Very important. Jesus Christ. So sorry, Greta. Nah. Oh! Sir, please just stop doing that. It's very rude. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll fix it. Wait. Let me fix... Get out of the... Oh, you were out then. Get out the fence. Oh wait. What's R do? Whoa! Jesus Christ. What's the quest? Humble beginnings. Bring Greta her soda. Oh right. Where's that? Is it in here? No, it's not. I bet. Oh, there it is. I did explode it. Grab the set. No, get off. Get that. There's a goat in that shelf. Thank you. That's very kind. Here's your soda. Yay! La 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 la. Oh, hello, Christopher. It's very nice to meet you. Oh crap. Wait, what's the other buttons? Right, let's go. Go! Woo! Oh, I found the farm! So fetch some apples for me, would ya? 5 should be enough for now. There's 1. There's 2. There's 5. iQuest. Ha, I get it, Apple. Do you get it? Do you get it? Do you get it? Nah. Get. There we go. Go. 1 out of 20. Oh, look at my legs. Oh, what's this? Golem? Oh. Oh. Oh, hello, sir. Very nice to meet you. Oh. So sorry. Backflip. Oh my god, what a shot!